All right. I said I would. I was about to bail. So here I am in my new apron designed by Ariane, the costume designer of Don't Worry Darling, and I'm here to make tzatziki. So we have full fat yogurt. This was the smaller size because we bought it whilst we were on the bike and I only had space for this. We have a cucumber, we have olive oil, we have garlic. We also have salt, pepper. Let's make something delicious. Hey! So, we are going to empty this yogurt pot, which actually I will say is the perfect size. Keep all the juice in, empty that out. Preferably made tzatziki listening to Charlotte Lawrence. You are going to put that in there. You are also then going to drizzle some olive oil in there. A lot of olive oil. You're going to sprinkle some salt. A little bit of salt. A lot of pepper. Then you're going to grate your cucumber, but pause. So I've roughly chopped my cucumber into this size. I don't know what that is measurement wise, but I'm just gonna grate that into my bowl. I like keeping the skin on because I tend to like the strings of cucumber with a bit of skin on. I know that some people are a bit iffy about their skin, but I actually quite like it. It also tends to hold the tzatziki together. Preference really. Grate all of that in. Mind your fingernails, especially if you got them done. And then after that, you're going to grate your garlic on a very fine, maybe preferably this side of your grater. Now, I like my tzatziki quite garlicky. If you don't leave the meal with fire breath, then was the meal really worth having? But if you're not like me, then just do 1 clove. I'm gonna do 2 because I'm that mad. And just grate that in on the fine side of your grater. Careful of your nails, careful of your skin, all of that. Love this song so much. Gonna chop that up. Any of the pieces that you don't quite finish, don't chuck them away. Pop them on your chopping board and chop them up with a knife afterwards. Great, 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 great. Go, 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 go. Mind your fingers, mind your fingers. I'm gonna save that to chop up. And then get yourself a butter knife just to scratch the inside. So Okay, so I added more salt and I added a bit more pepper. This dip, most dips are totally to do with preference. So if you don't like garlic, then only add 1 clove. If you love garlic, then add 3, like I just did secretly. If you don't like salt, if you don't like pepper, it's all to taste. But ultimately, this is my favorite dip. This is tzatziki. I've grown up eating this dish. I've been going to Greece since I was a baba. I have it on as many meals as I can possibly get away with. So if you give it a go, make sure you use full fat Greek yogurt, full fat. I'll be angry if you don't use full fat. This is not the time to diet. And garlic, throw in olive oil, salt, pepper, enjoy. I hope you make it. I want to see pics. Yeah, I'm dancing with my homemade tzatziki, aren't you? Cooking with Flo, over and out. Bye!